How human impact can lead to succession in ecosystems. Succession is the process by which ecosystems undergo gradual changes following a disturbance, leading to the development of a new ecological community. Human activities can significantly impact ecosystems, often triggering succession by altering the natural environment in ways that create opportunities for new species to colonize and thrive. Here's how human impact can lead to succession in ecosystems. Deforestation and land clearing. When humans clear forests for agriculture, urban development, or logging, they disrupt the existing ecosystem, removing the dominant species and altering the soil structure, water availability, and microclimate. This disturbance can initiate a process known as primary or secondary succession. Primary succession occurs in areas where no soil exists, such as after a volcanic eruption or on bare rock exposed by deforestation. Over time, pioneer species like lichens, mosses, and grasses colonize the area, gradually breaking down rock and creating soil. This allows more complex plant species to establish, leading to the development of a new, mature ecosystem. Secondary succession occurs in areas where soil is already present but the vegetation has been removed or significantly altered. After deforestation, for example, grasses and shrubs may quickly colonize the cleared land, followed by larger plants and eventually trees. The ecosystem gradually recovers, though it may take many years or even decades to reach its previous state. Agriculture and abandoned farmland. Human agriculture can lead to succession when fields are abandoned after years of cultivation. Initially, the land may be dominated by weedy species that are well adapted to disturbed soils. These pioneer species stabilize the soil and begin the process of ecological succession. Over time, perennial grasses, shrubs, and eventually trees may take over, leading to the development of a more complex and diverse ecosystem. This process, known as old field succession, is common in regions where farmland has been abandoned. Pollution and contamination. Pollution, such as oil spills, chemical contamination, or acid rain, can severely damage ecosystems, killing plants and animals and altering soil and water chemistry. In the aftermath of such disturbances, succession can occur as new species that are more tolerant of the changed conditions colonize the area. For example, after an oil spill, certain bacteria and plants that can metabolize or tolerate hydrocarbons may establish themselves, gradually leading to a shift in the ecosystem's composition as other species move in over time. Urbanization and habitat fragmentation. Urban development can fragment habitats, isolating ecosystems and creating new environments, such as vacant lots, roadways, and green spaces. These fragmented areas often undergo succession, starting with hardy pioneer species that can tolerate the disturbed conditions. Over time, these species may give way to more complex communities, although the process of succession in urban areas can be influenced by human management, such as landscaping or the introduction of non-native species. Climate change. Human-induced climate change is causing shifts in temperature, precipitation patterns, and sea levels, which can lead to changes in ecosystems and trigger succession. For example, rising temperatures may cause certain species to migrate to cooler areas, leaving gaps in the ecosystem that are filled by new species adapted to the changing conditions. Similarly, melting ice or thawing permafrost can create new habitats where succession begins, starting with pioneer species and leading to the development of new ecological communities. Conclusion: human activities such as deforestation, agriculture, pollution, urbanization, and climate change can significantly alter ecosystems, often leading to succession as new species colonize disturbed areas. While succession is a natural process that allows ecosystems to recover and evolve over time, human impacts can sometimes create conditions that make it difficult for ecosystems to return to their original state. Understanding how human activities influence succession is crucial for managing and restoring ecosystems in a way that promotes biodiversity and environmental health.